Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to play in the Vietnam server on your League of Legends. So at first, just open your game through the right client. And as you open your game, you're on this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right tab for the option store. And as you see it, just click it to view the store page at first. And as you view the store page, again look at your right top and select this option account right here. And as you do that, you can see the list of servers. And just scroll down where you can see this Vietnam server on your screen. So to play on the server, you need to buy it using your RP points. So if you don't have the RP point, you can just top up the RP point from the store. Let me show you a game. At first, open your game, then go in the option store and select this account right here and just scroll down and click on it and click on continue to buy this Vietnam server. So guys, that's how you play on the Vietnam server on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.